Hello and welcome. Today we'll see how we can easily download and install Python and Jupyter Notebook through the Anaconda method. So let's start. We will go to the browser and type Anaconda download, and we'll select download Anaconda distribution from this website, and we will be in the official Anaconda website, and we'll see here download now. We'll select the get started, and it will give us another page, and telling us to sign up first if we are new to this website. I will select the sign up with Google. You can do which one is convenient for you, and I will select this email address, and we can see that it wants to continue for sign in. We will continue, and it has automatically put my name. In the company I will give here just self, and I will give a right click here and select next. Well, I am currently doing data analysis, so I'll give data scientist. If you are a student, give student. Researcher. If you are a developer, you can select developer. So I'm giving data scientist. Next. It wants to know more, so I'm giving ML basics, data analysis, visualization, statistics, not anything else. These are the ones. You can choose whatever you like, and it will be creating our sign in process. So we have landed in the Anaconda website now, and we can see that it has versions for the Windows, Mac and Linux. We'll select accept all. We can see in the Linux section all the Linux installers. In the Mac section you can install the Mac version of the Anaconda, and from the Windows you can select the or install the Windows version of the Anaconda. Since I am using the Windows operating system, I will select this installer from the Windows section. I will select, and it will start to download. This file is 1.1 GB in length, so it will take some time, and after it gets downloaded we will see how we can install it. So we will wait. So we can see that our Anaconda installer has been downloaded. Now we will double click on it to install it. So this is a heavy software, so it will take some time. We will wait. It is installing and loading. So we will click next from the setup. We will select I agree. Then we will select the by default just me recommended, and we leave the path that is automatically selected by the Windows. And if you want to change it, you can change it from the browse option here. Next, and from here we can see there are several options. The last option is clear the package cache upon completion, register Anaconda as my default Python 3.13, and the final one is add installation to my path environment. We'll select everything. Not recommended. We can see this first one is not recommended. We'll leave it blank, and we'll select the install button. and it will be installing. Then it is loading. Our Anaconda software is almost installed. We will wait until it gets fully installed. So we can see that our Anaconda software is finally installed and it has been completed successfully. We'll click next, and next again we can see the icons of the Jupyter Notebook here. Next we will click finish. So it is saying us that thank you for downloading, and we have already got our Anaconda with the Python and Jupyter Notebook installed in it. So let's see, we can run the Jupyter Notebook for a simple program in Python. So we'll go to our search bar option and type Anaconda. We can already see that Anaconda is here, Anaconda Navigator. We'll go to that option, Anaconda Navigator, and it will initialize to start or run the program. At first time it may take a few seconds to run since it is a heavy software. So we can see our Anaconda Navigator has finally opened, and here is a prompt for sign in for AI coding help. We will skip this one for later if we want AI. So we can see different programs here. Here we can see the Juputer, Jupyter Lab, PyCharm, Anaconda AI Navigator. We can also see the RStudio. Our main business here is to get the Jupyter Notebook from here. So we'll select this Jupyter Notebook and click launch. At first it may take a few seconds, but when you are coming to this navigator and opening Jupyter Notebook again and again, it will get faster. So we have opened our Jupyter Notebook, and it has logged into our file directory path, and we'll go to the downloads from here, and I want to keep my Python scripts in this download folder. That's why I have came here, and from this right section we will click the new, and from here we'll select Python 3 kernel, and this will open a new window with the Jupyter Notebook and kernel also. So let us write a simple Python program here. First Python program, we will type print and hashtag this is my first Python code, hashtag close, and we can run this program from here also here. So we'll select this button. We can see that the kernel or from the Jupyter Notebook has run our first Python code. This is my first Python code. So thank you for watching. This is how you can install Python 3.2 and also Jupyter Notebook with it. And to let you know, it has also installed all the Python libraries needed for data analytics, data science, machine learning. All the libraries that are already needed here are already installed. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and give a like to it.